As a real estate agent, you know that hosting open houses is a great way to drum up business. But gathering contact information from all of those visitors can be a daunting task. Never fear, I've got the perfect solution. I'm going to share with you my free open house sign-in sheet and tell you a little bit more about the open house sign-in process. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your next open house today. What's going on, everyone? I'm Kyle Handy, a realtor and team leader here in San Antonio, Texas. I help teach other realtors, team leaders, and brokers how to grow and scale their real estate business through digital marketing, content creation, social media, as well as tried and true methods. And if you want proven strategies that you can use to get more leads, closings, and scale your team, you'll love this video. Keep watching. Before I get started, if you could do me a huge favor and hit that like button, I'd greatly appreciate it. Also, consider subscribing if you haven't already, as I release a new free training 3 times per week, as well as go live every Tuesday, and you're not going to want to miss any of it. Finally, if you'd like my free real estate business plan template to track your sales, commissions, profit and loss, net worth, and budget, head over to kylehandy.com/business plan to download it for free today. Okay, now let's get started. There are many different open house sign-in sheets out there. In its most basic version, your sign-in sheet should collect your attendee's name, email address, and phone number. If you like, you can also ask for their address. On the more complex end, you can have an open house sign-in sheet that doubles as questionnaires. For example, you can include a few simple questions that ask what style of home the lead is interested in and when they're looking to purchase. Personally, I recommend using an open house sign-in sheet that is more on the simple side. This customizable sign-in sheet template that I've created is the perfect way to collect your lead's contact information. But before you do that, here's some contact information you should ask for. Because I like to keep my sign-in sheet simple, it's better to ask these important questions verbally while you're there in person with the lead. So in addition to the lead's contact information, you should also ask if they're working with another real estate agent. This allows you to know if you need to be following up with that client, or if they're already working with another agent, perhaps you follow up with them down the road to see if they went successfully with them. This will tell you how to follow up with that potential lead, and if they need to be followed up with right away, or if they're working with an agent, perhaps you follow up with them down the road to see if they successfully purchased a home with that realtor. You should also ask if they own or rent their home and how long they've lived there. By asking questions like these, you can top grade the leads that come through the open house, so that way you know who you need to focus your attention on. You can also ask potential new leads how they found out about you and your open house. This will give you an idea of how to prioritize your marketing efforts. In addition, it's a good idea to ask if anyone else in the household may be interested in real estate. If so, then you can follow up with them as well. For more tips on how to host an open house for another agent, check out my other video that I'll link above here. After the open house, you're going to need to follow up with your leads. This sign-in sheet asks for your open house guest's name, email, addresses, and phone numbers. In addition, it includes a simple question: are you working with a realtor to find your next home? As I mentioned before, this is a great question to ask your open house attendees. This is because no matter how they answer, you can follow up with them later to learn more. If they answer no, then that immediately gives you an opening to pursue a relationship with them. And even if they answer yes, there is still an opportunity for you to find out if they have signed an exclusive contract agreement with the other agent. If they haven't, then you still have a chance to get them to work with you instead. And you can watch my other video on handling common objections if you need more help convincing leads to commit to a face-to-face appointment with you. I'll link it above here. The open house sign-in sheet is also great because it's customizable. You can add your branding, logo, and headshot to the top of the page, which creates a more professional and polished appearance. So next, let's talk about how to get more open house signups. A great way to encourage more attendees to sign up at your open house event is to offer incentives. This can include free food and small promotional gifts or other branded items. In addition, you can also host giveaways where open house attendees win a prize at the end of the event. A giveaway with a prize is a great way to make your real estate open house stand out from the competition. Giveaways turn your open house into a fun, memorable event that people will enjoy participating in. A great way to get more people to fill out your open house sign-in sheet is to send out invitations to your sphere of influence. Even if they aren't a potential buyer themselves, they might know somebody who is. You should also go door knocking in the neighborhood a few hours before the event and hand out invitations to all the neighbors in the area. And definitely be sure to advertise across social media in the weeks leading up to the event. All this publicity coupled with free items and the promise of a prize is likely to attract more attendees than a regular open house. And I can tell you, if you include free food at the event, then every open house visitor is more likely to sign up and stick around longer. Possible prizes for your open house giveaway can include gift cards, vouchers to a local business or service, gift baskets, small home goods or appliances, and more. Alright, so if the physical open house sign-in sheet isn't for you and you're more of a techie person, let me talk about some digital open house sign-in sheet options that are available to you. Digital open house sign-in sheets offer a real estate agent several benefits that traditional paper sheets can't compete with. For example, a digital sign-in sheet takes away the problem of trying to decipher any messy handwriting. In addition, it is far more convenient to bring one iPad or tablet rather than dealing with multiple sheets of paper. My choice for a digital open house sign-in sheet is Curb Hero. Curb Hero, formerly Block Party, is a free open house app available for download on the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. You can also just use it as a web-based app. Curb Hero has many great benefits that will simplify the open house sign-in process for both your leads and you as the real estate agent. First, Curb Hero sign-in sheets are customizable and come in multiple different layouts that you can choose from to create your ideal lead capture form. However, the main benefit to Curb Hero is its seamless ability to set up a successful lead capture system. This includes the ability to integrate with over 2,000 CRM systems and other marketing tools. Another option for real estate agents looking for a more robust digital open house solution is Open Home Pro. Open Home Pro is a paid open house sign-in solution that allows you to create and send custom real estate marketing campaigns automatically to your open house visitors. With Open Home Pro, you can design your own real estate sign-in sheet by choosing from over 100 different customizable templates. Also, Open Home Pro will automatically follow up with leads after the open house by email and alert you when a lead opens the email. Finally, it will generate an automated seller's report that you may provide to the seller or agent who allowed you to show the property. Alright, so here's my final thoughts on an open house sign-in sheet. I hope you found these open house tips helpful. As a little parting gift, I wanted to share my free open house sign-in sheet template with you. It's a great tool to help you keep track of your leads and follow up with them after the open house. Click the link in the video description below to download it now. And remember, always be friendly and courteous when talking to interested buyers. You never know who might end up being your next client. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Also, hit that thumbs up button and give this video a like as it helps my videos reach more real estate agents looking to grow their businesses. And by the way, if you're interested in partnering with me at eXp Realty, head over to my partner page and check out the exclusive benefits that you receive. I'm passionate about helping agents win. I've already partnered with nearly 100 agents across the country to help them increase their real estate business and generate more leads, and I'm never too busy for you. When you partner with me, you receive free access to all of my current and future paid courses, which you can find on academy.kylehandy.com. Additionally, you get access to my private Facebook community called The Dream Team, where I go live multiple times per week. Head over to kylehandy.com/partner for more information. Finally, if you've made it this far, I want to thank you. Type #EndCrew in the comments to let me know that you watched to the end. And now I want to turn it over to you. What information do you try to capture on your sign-in sheets? Do you ask for more information or less information? Let me know in the comments. Until my next video, be well and get out there and sell some homes.